Ravi, Chicago police officers, some with admitted ties to hate, and the January 6th Capitol riot instigators known as the Oath Keepers, tonight the target of a demand from the Southern Poverty Law Center. That group is a prominent civil rights organization now pushing back on the decisions by CPD against officers found to be affiliated with the Oath Keepers.
Chicago Police Department that is called to protect the safety of all residents when we have members that are associated with hate speech, extremism, and hate crimes. We do think it's important that there is an independent investigation.
Tonight, several Chicago City Council members have signed on to this letter sent today by the Southern Poverty Law Center to Mayor Brandon Johnson and Police Superintendent Larry Snelling. The SPLC letter rips a police internal investigation of how deep the roots are between a handful of known officers and the January 6th riot activities of the Oath Keepers. More than a year ago, the I-Team reported that pressure was mounting on police to publicly identify officers with links to radical violent hate groups, including the Oath Keepers and the Proud Boys, both of which flooded Capitol Hill on January 6, 2021. A half dozen officers have admitted to joining the Oath Keepers to CPD internal affairs investigators, and others have been connected to far-right organizations known for hate positions and violence. But the SPLC tonight says police officers and the mayor are not doing enough to investigate or punish those officers who are aligned with racist and extremist groups. SPLC is demanding public hearings by Chicago City Council and increased transparency, especially before the Democratic National Convention this summer.
We cannot have any kind of discrimination when it comes to public safety. Every resident in the city of Chicago deserves to be safe on their homes, in their parades, in whatever they are. Again, with the Pride Parade coming, we are really concerned about these threats on the LGBTQ community. Again, and these groups, these Oath Keepers and Proud Boys, are very clear in their positions.
That letter from the National Civil Rights Group tonight is also blasting police investigative methods, suggesting the department gave only scant attention to allegations against officers and never seriously pursued whether they had done anything wrong. There has been no immediate comment from city police or the mayor's office, but be assured there will be at some point.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.